Almost all supply bays at the Tesla Giga Berlin's body in white and general assembly are occupied, and car trucks are waiting to pick up the Model Y and transport them throughout Europe. Yesterday I promised that I will have a report about Tesla Giga Berlin sending trucks of Model Y toward east, toward possibly Romania, but it looks like there is an update on that story, that it's not only Romania, but it's the Romanian truck drivers that are taking cars to throughout Europe. But now what's interesting, the production is running at Tesla Giga Berlin, because almost all supply bays, as you can see from Jurgen's images that he shares at GigaFactory Berlin Brandenburg Twitter page, are occupied, and with body in white and general assembly places are occupied with car trucks waiting to be picked up. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Hari, and I have very exciting news about Tesla Giga Berlin today. Please subscribe to our channel, help us to reach 100,000 subscriber goal. We have 70,000, hopefully by mid-year. With your help we will reach that goal. I would greatly appreciate it. A lot of interesting things are happening at Giga Berlin, friends. Tesla's brand new Gigafactory near Berlin, Germany just officially opened on March 22nd, 2022. As promised during the event, CEO Elon Musk delivered the first 30 German-made Model Y crossovers to customers, and now Tesla is sending Model Y vehicles from Giga Berlin throughout Europe. We have heard reports from Denmark, Italy, now East, and everywhere. However, there have been questions surrounding when the US electric automaker will be ramping up production and delivering more Model Ys. It appears it has already begun. If you have not missed my previous stories, I have several reports about Tesla Giga Berlin's ramp-up numbers, what happens next in Grünheide and in Giga Berlin. Look them up, friends. They're very interesting reports that will give you full picture. Now, based on footage from various drone operators and images, Tesla is already transporting Model Y crossovers away from the factory grounds to begin deliveries. According to an article by Tesla Radio, drone videographer Tobias Lind captured footage of Model Y vehicles leaving Giga Berlin. I reported this a couple of days ago. Now you can watch Lind's latest video. I will have the link in the description of this video. He told Tesla Radio that Model Y SUVs have officially been delivered in multiple countries, including Denmark, Italy, and Netherlands. If the drone footage isn't enough to convince you that Tesla is now delivering more Model Y crossovers in Germany, or you have a different explanation for the electric SUVs on car carriers, there is more news to substantiate the situation. New Model Y owners in Germany and beyond are beginning to report that they have taken delivery of their Tesla vehicles. We have seen that on their Twitter accounts. Tesla Radio also points to Gigafactory Berlin Brandenburg on Twitter, since it has posted multiple images of the German-made Model Y deliveries underway in various European countries. This is very important, good news for Tesla, friends, because Tesla Giga Shanghai is now closed because of this virus outbreak in China. This is why Model Y production ramp up in Giga Berlin becomes even more important for Tesla's figures and numbers that we will see coming from the first quarter of 2022. Very minor numbers there, because Tesla just started last week at Giga Berlin, but also mainly the second quarter of Tesla's number of 2022 should be very promising numbers coming from Giga Berlin. So please subscribe to our channel and also help us to reach our goal, because we will bring these numbers to you. Several other posts on Twitter are now popping up on social media related to Model Y deliveries from Giga Berlin. Twitter account Bestlin Tesla that tweets at Tesla Best handle posted a tweet which takes us to an informative video about made in Germany Tesla Model Y, showing how the video is. So a lot of good things, a lot of new developments at Giga Berlin. What do you think, friends? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Please again subscribe to our channel, help us to reach our goal and grow this channel, as we will bring you daily Tesla news. Wonderful day, everybody. God bless you. Peace be with all of you and to the world. And let's move on to our next Tesla story. New Model Y in 150 seconds from Giga Berlin. Video that I'm going to show you speaks for high production in the German Tesla factory, friends. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. So on the site for Giga Berlin in Grünheide near Berlin, construction is now being carried out twice. In several places there, workers were still building roads or completing the square battery building on Wednesday. At the same time, however, Tesla Model Y was produced in the long main building of the GigaFactory Berlin, as can be seen from a drone video from Tobias Lind. Our friend observer Tobias Lind, who tweets at Toby Lind, timed how much time passed before one of these Model Ys rolled out the next one from the factory. It was about 2.5 minutes, which would mean that extrapolated to 1,000 Model Ys per week. So is it safe to say that Tesla is now making 1,000 Tesla Model Ys per week at Giga Berlin? This is about the right number, which I reported last week, saying that Tesla will be building about 30,000 Model Ys by mid-year. Now, this is how new Model Ys roll out from Giga Berlin. With the delivery day for the handover of the first 30 Model Ys from Grünheide last week, the Tesla Giga Berlin factory officially started operations. The factory had previously produced hundreds of electric cars on a test basis, but they were not allowed to be sold, as I've reported previously, because they were not for sale but for testing purposes. I honestly don't know what Tesla will do with these vehicles, and there is no word. Maybe I will ask on Twitter to Elon Musk if he can tell us what Tesla will do with these vehicles, maybe put them in showrooms, but I'm not sure if he will respond. But with the regular start, the work there is far from over. The start of Model Y production is relatively easy, explained Tesla CEO Elon Musk last October at a Giga Festival for fans and the local population. The subsequent ramp up was the difficult part, and now Tesla is in that subsequent ramp up for Model Y production. After all, the delays in getting the final Giga Berlin approval for Tesla gave Tesla more time to prepare for this phase of ramping up phase. And so the beginning of serious production seems to be running smoothly at Giga Berlin. In this Wednesday's video by Toby Lind, dozens of Model Ys are parked in multiple locations around the site, most on a newly paved area. In addition, several electric cars, probably freshly produced, came out of the Gigafactory under drone observation, which then drove out to the picture through a busy construction site and logistics traffic. I will have the entire video link in the description of this video so you can see. I'm only allowed by Tobias to use about 3-minute segment from the video. Now, a total of 3 black Model Ys can be seen exiting the Gigafactory Berlin, one after the other, from an exit in the middle of the long east side. The time-lapse video does not show how much time passes between them, but Toby Lind stopped it. It took about 2 minutes and 30 seconds for one Tesla to be followed by the next. Extrapolated to 8 hours, this results in 192 Model Ys per working day and around 1,000 units in 5-day week, which comes down basically to 30,000 Model Ys by July 2021. Friends, of course, it is not clear whether this production speed can be maintained for a whole day. Tobias assumed the footage would show the lines inside the Gigafactory building running at reasonable speeds, but believed they were still occasionally stopped in between, reports Tesla Mag in Germany. In any case, 1,000 Model Y vehicles from Giga Berlin should be an interim goal that Tesla has set itself. Up to 500,000 units per year are applied for and approved, which would amount to around 10,000 vehicles per week. So Tesla needs to ramp up production 10 times more from current rate. During his visit last October, CEO Elon Musk said that by the end of 2022, the German Gigafactory should be producing at least 5,000 Model Ys per week, but preferably close to 10,000. So let's see how things will go by the end of this year, and we still have 9 more months to go. Even if we go from 1,000 to 5,000, that's still a great advance for Giga Berlin. Now, one thing that is very much important is that Tesla needs to hire more workers to produce that many cars, because with 3,000 plus or close to 4,000 workers, you can't produce 10,000 cars a week. You need to have at least 10,000 workers at Giga Berlin in order to produce about 10,000 cars. That's what I read in the media. Well, let me know your thoughts. Are you excited about this, friends? This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla news. We would like to get to 100,000 subscriber goal, and we're now close to 70,000. I would greatly appreciate your help. So God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and let's see our next Tesla story.